Hi, good day everyone. I want to first ask us how we all doing. I hope we're all doing fine. I hope as we are going through our daily activities, we are all okay. We're all fine. So, so what we are going through today this is the essence of programming. The essence of programming. But I want to explain that now in relation to this event. This event that always takes place every year. So I want to use that as something that we can use to, look at like maybe something like a focus and now say what does that how does that usually help people. So and we can use that to like get some information on the essence of programming. So you can see something real and say yes, this is something real. You can look it and say this is something real that we can point out as essence of why we are learning all this programming. Why are we doing everything? You can pick it out. So let's look at NVIDIA. So let's look at what is NVIDIA. NVIDIA's annual GPU Technology Conference. So, NVIDIA's annual GPU Technology Conference is a premier event that brings together developers, researchers, and industry professionals to explore advancements in artificial intelligence, accelerated computing, and related fields. The conference features keynote addresses, technical sessions, hands-on workshops, and networking opportunities, providing attendees with insights into the latest technologies, innovations, and practical skills to enhance their programming capabilities. So that is what NVIDIA is. That's what NVIDIA is. So now I want to still explain that a little bit. So at NVIDIA's GTC event, CEO Jensen Huang emphasized a bold vision, a future where traditional coding is no longer necessary. He envisions AI-powered systems that allowed humans to communicate with computers using natural language instead of programming languages. This idea challenges the conventional understanding of programming and brings up an important question. What is the true essence of programming in today's world? So let's look at the essence of programming. Programming is not just about writing code. So you can see that it's not just about writing code. It's about solving problems. So it's about solving many problems. Many problems we have in the world today. So although it can't solve all problems, but the special ones that we have that it can solve. So that's the essence of programming. Building systems and automating tasks. The essence of programming lies in logic, creativity, and problem solving. It enables us to create applications, analyze data, and develop artificial intelligence and control hardware. Every piece of technology from smartphones to self-driving cars relies on programming at its core. So let's look at NVIDIA's vision. Let's look at their vision related to programming versus programming, traditional programming. NVIDIA's vision suggests that AI can take over the role of coding, allowing people to describe what they want in plain language, and AI will generate the necessary code or execute commands. While this makes technology more accessible, it does not eliminate the need for programming. Instead, it shifts the focus from syntax-based coding to problem-solving and understanding how systems work. So here's why programming remains despite advancements in AI. So this is why programming remains important despite advancements in AI. So we are looking at them one by one. So the first one, control and customization. AI can automate tasks, but programmers are needed to fine-tune systems, fix issues, and ensure security. Understanding logic and structure. Even with AI development, knowing how software works allows for better decision making. So it reduces mistakes. And so innovation and creativity. AI can assist, but true innovation comes from human creativity, which requires programming knowledge. AI dependence and ethical issues. Relying solely on AI for programming raises concerns about bias, security, and ethical use. Programmers are needed to guide AI responsibly. So let's read in conclusion. In conclusion, NVIDIA's event highlights a future where AI plays a big role in development, but programming remains essential. The focus may shift from writing code to designing intelligent systems, but understanding programming logic will always be valuable. In today's world, learning to program is not just about coding, it is about thinking critically, solving problems, and shaping the future of technology. So that's it for today, everyone. So if you want to check out some things you can note out from NVIDIA events, so if you want to just check it out, so some of the things you can note out is introduction of advanced AI chips, introduction of AI, advanced AI chips, launch of new software, emphasis on robotics, and establishment of computing lab. So that's it for essence of programming, everyone. So, and that's it in relation to the NVIDIA event. So I just put it up that way so you can see something to relate to and easily understand what it means when we say essence of programming. So you can see that programming is actually useful, very, very useful. So you can't just say you brush it aside. You can't just brush it aside. It's useful. So, and it's useful in different aspects of life, in different things that we do in our daily life. So it's very, very useful. So if you have stayed to this time, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you. So I'm telling you, just don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So thank you very much. I'll see you next week. Yeah, next week. I'll see you next week. Thank you.